Today I'm going to show you how to find your Fiverr account password and username. This is particularly useful if you've forgotten your login details but have them saved in your browser. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to google.com. Before we proceed further, there's something crucial you need to understand. This method will only work if you've previously saved your Fiverr login credentials in Google Chrome or Google Password Manager. You can't retrieve this information directly from Fiverr's system itself, but if you've allowed your browser to remember your login details, we can safely access them from there. Once you're in your browser, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see three vertical dots, often referred to as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can manage various aspects of your browser. Now, on the left sidebar of the settings page, you'll need to click on Autofill and Passwords. This section is where Chrome stores all your saved login information, payment methods, and addresses. It's essentially the vault where your browser keeps all the credentials you've chosen to save over time. Next, click on Google Password Manager. This tool is designed to securely store and manage all your passwords across different websites and apps. Once you're inside the Password Manager, you'll see a list of all the websites and services for which you've saved login information. Here's where you need to search for Fiverr. Look through the list or use the search function to locate your Fiverr entry, then click on it. This will open up the detailed view of your saved Fiverr credentials. Once you've clicked on the Fiverr entry, you'll immediately see your username displayed on the screen. This is the email address or username you use to log into your Fiverr account. If you need to see your password as well, simply click the eye icon that's located beside the password field. Clicking this icon will reveal your password in plain text, allowing you to view or copy it as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully retrieved your Fiverr username and password from Google Password Manager. This is a quick and secure way to recover your login details without having to go through a password reset process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.